Hello traders, Rich here, and here's my version on how to use Binance. I'll make it quick and straightforward, so let's get started. First of all, of course, you have to create an account. You go to Binance.com and click on register. You simply fill in the information and click on sign up. And then, of course, you have to log in to be able to see this window. If you don't have an account yet, I would appreciate if you use my referral link in the description below. Now you log into your account and you have to fill it or you have to deposit in it to be able to buy coins, right? You have two ways. The first way is you go to buy crypto and then you can deposit via bank transfer, credit, debit card, and so on. In this case, you have to verify your account first by applying the documents, just like when you open a new account in any broker. The second way, which doesn't require that you verify your account first, is if someone, a relative, friend, or someone you bought it from sends you USDT or Bitcoin or any other instrument. The way to do it is very easy. First, you have to provide him with your address. So you go to your wallet, fiat and spot, and then you scroll down. And let's say he wants to send you USDT, then you have to provide him with your USDT address. Okay, so you scroll down and you go to USDT, you go to deposit. If he wants to send you Bitcoin, then you have to go to Bitcoin and then click on deposit. Make sure that you are providing him with the same instrument that he's going to send you. If he's going to send USDT, you have to go here. If he's going to send you Bitcoin, you have to go here, and so on. Of course, he can send you Ethereum and so on. Okay, so now let's do it on USDT. Second, you have to provide him with a network name. Make sure that you both have the same network. If he's using ERC20, you have to provide him this address, and you click on copy and you send it to him. And if he's using BEP20, which is Binance Smart Chain, then you have to provide him with this address. Then you send it to him, and then he will send you, for example, $100 of USDT. The way to do it, if you are going to send someone USDT or Bitcoin, you simply go here, and instead of clicking on deposit, you click on withdraw. So let's wait for it. Yes. So USDT, you want to send someone USDT, you simply go to withdraw. You have to choose your network, the network that you are sending to, and of course his address, and you choose how much you want to send and click on OK. Very simple. But I'm just showing you, if someone wants to send you USDT, you know now how to come up with your address. So let's say he sends you $100, okay? Then you will be able to see it here, wallet overview. You'll be able to see it in your balance, but however, I clicked on hide balance, okay? So if you click on show balance, it will show you how much you have, how much USDT you have, and it will be shown here the coins that you are holding, okay? So now you have, let's say, $100, 100 USDT. Now you want to convert it. You want to buy a specific coin, like for example, ADA. Okay. Then you have to go where? Trade, classic, and please don't trade it on margin. I'll show you an example on how to trade on margin, but I will not go deeply in it. Always buy it on spot, buy the actual coin and hold. This is my advice to you. This is my trading style and my approach when it comes to crypto. So it will show you this window when you go to trade classic. Then, for example, you have, as mentioned before, you have USDT and you want to buy ADA. If you go here, fiat USDT, and then you go and search for ADA, right? And then here we go, you can see ADA/USDT. So you are converting your USDT into ADA. For example, if you have Bitcoin, you can convert ADA, your Bitcoin to ADA. Here we go, ADA/BTC, okay? But let's say for this example, you are converting your USDT to ADA. Click on ADA, just wait for a minute, and then you scroll down. Here you'll be able to see spot, cross 3x, and so on. Don't ever click on these. Only, and of course, as per my opinion and my advice, only use spot. Only buy the actual coins and hold. Don't trade it on margin again and again. Okay. Then you can choose buy limit. Let's say now ADA is around 1.5 and you want to buy it immediately without you being like monitoring the charts, you enter buy immediately when it reaches 1, then you go to limit and you simply choose 1 here. Okay, or if let's say you want to buy ADA now, you just click on market. Okay, then you choose how many ADA you want to buy. And it's very simple here. Let's say you have $100 of USDT. You simply click 50. Okay, now of course I don't have USDT in my account, but you simply click 50, and if you have USDT, it will be shown here. So you have 100 USDT, and here you can choose how many percentage. Let's say you can use this or you can use this. It depends. I personally like to write the specific number here, but let's say you have 100 USDT and you want to buy ADA. If you click on 25%, then you will buy, it will calculate automatically, and you will buy $25 or 25 USDT worth of ADA. So if ADA is 1, then you will buy 25 ADA. If ADA is 1.5, then you will do the math and you will know how much ADA you are buying, how many ADA you are buying. So I personally don't use this one. And for example, if you choose 100%, then if you have 100 USDT, then you will buy with the entire 100 USDT, you will buy ADA with. Okay, I personally don't use this one. I use this one. For example, I have 100 USDT. I want to buy with 20 only. I click here and I buy and click on buy. When I click here, it will show you success that now you've bought it, and you will see the open orders here. Then when you go to orders, and then when you go to wallet overview, you will be able to see that you are now holding ADA, and it will be shown here. Again and again, I personally don't like to trade it on leverage. This is my approach when it comes to crypto. I just like to buy it and hold. That's it. Long story short, best of luck, and I'll see you on the next video.